So I'm here with the last video on number 11 and explaining the POA here. So this would be another weaker green of ours, and mostly because of the size of it. It's small. We don't have many pin placements in the back there. Everybody walks onto this green the same spot. So everybody's walking onto this green from the front because of the bunkering. So you could see the POA through the front of the green. That's from traffic. And as we get over here to this little section through here, you can definitely see the difference in the grasses. So this would be the POA right through here, while this is the bent grass. Now, years prior, this used to be predominantly POA. This was probably 80% POA. As we remove the trees back there, we start getting more bent grass. Right now, the only issue we're having with this green growing environment-wise are those two trees next to 18T. The sun in the summer is facing that way, so we do not get sunlight to this green. I timed it this morning. It's not in full sun until about 9:30. So that's why there's a little bit more POA on this green also. Now, as I'm explaining all this, we are trying to keep the POA alive. This is the grass that does not like the heat. Like I explained, it does not like aggressive stuff done to it, being cut low. In the heat, it's great in the spring and in the fall. But when you're managing two of these, if we had all POA, you could see it is a nice fine textured grass. We could get speed and everything out of that. It is a really good grass, but when you're managing two different grasses, it's difficult because that bent grass right now does not want the fertilizer that the POA wants. POA is definitely more expensive to maintain. If I came in right now, if I came in here with 1/10 of a pound of nitrogen, the POA would perk right up and it would be happy, but the bent grass wouldn't like it. So you have to fertilize POA more, you have to water it more, but you can get a good ball roll out of it. We're at the position right now that we want this bent grass to take over that POA, just because we have so much more of it. This would be the prime green to see what happens in the fall, because it's getting close. This bent grass is really taking this green over, and that's due to our management style, how we like to keep things on the dry ends, and our aggressive grooming and brooming. It weakens the POA and strengthens the bent grass. So right now, I predict that in the fall, going into next year, this bent grass will mostly take over this POA. You'll see right here, areas like this, in through here, that are starting to take it over right now. If it does that, then I could be more aggressive on the greens in the summer. We'll see what happens, and hopefully you like the videos and I gave you a little understanding of what we're fighting with. Thanks.